Hi, I'm Steve from Absolute Lifting and Safety. Today I want to talk about precast and tilt slab concrete lifting equipment. As documented in Australian Standards AS 3850 precast elements, concrete clutches like this must be tested every 12 months without fail. If lifting equipment like these concrete clutches fail, they could cause a lot of damage, or worse still, injury or loss of life. If your lifting equipment has not been tested and certified and is not fit for use with a current test tag attached like this one, the ramifications and costs can be staggering. At Absolute Lifting and Safety, we service the concrete industry with the supply and testing of concrete clutches, chains, wire rope slings, and other lifting hardware. So who can inspect and test lifting equipment like these concrete clutches? Lifting equipment should be visually inspected by the operator prior to use. This does not, however, replace the need for regular inspections or testing and tagging that is required to be carried out by a competent person in alignment with Australian standards. A competent person must be suitably trained, be qualified by knowledge and practical experience, and must also have a JIGA 1 eye test every 2 years. Testing and tagging of heavy lifting equipment used in the concrete industry, like large chain slings, wire ropes, snatch blocks and concrete clutches, requires specialist apparatus like this 120-ton mobile testbed truck. Competent testing technicians use calibrated equipment like this testbed to test a wide range of lifting gear which ensures the highest level of compliance. There are also other industry mechanical testing facilities. In our testing lab you will also find test towers, hydrojaws, and counterweights for various load testing applications. A visual inspection of lifting equipment won't always tell you if it's safe under load. One of these lifting clutches has failed due to permanent set deformation. The other has passed. If you were to use this lifting clutch on a 16-point lift like this one, it is likely to fail. And if that happened, the result could be catastrophic. If you want to learn more about how to test and tag your lifting equipment, check out our website or give us a call on 07 3205 7000. Can we help you with your lifting and safety requirements? Absolutely we can.